Okay, for our sight word review today for phonics, I wanted to incorporate some fun spring activity since it's been so nice out, minus the rain, but it is spring, so I wanted to incorporate a spring activity. So to start, I want to take a look at the word spring. So spring is S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. How many letters are there in spring? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 letters in spring. So what I want you to do for today is a fun little craft and a drawing. So since it's spring and spring has flowers that pop up, I want us to make a sight word flower. So I am going to do the middle part of my flower. So since there are 6 letters in spring, I'm going to need 6 petals on my flower. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now I have 6 petals on my flower. I'm going to give my flower a stem, some leaves, just like that. So what I want you to do is for each letter in the word spring, I want you to choose a sight word that starts with that letter and write it in one of the petals. So if I was going to do this, the first letter is S. So I'm going to go to my sight word wall and I'm going to look at all my sight words that start with S. I want to do the word saw because that's one of my sight words. S-A-W, saw. So in my first petal, I'm going to write the word saw. Now my second letter is P. Let me look at my sight word wall and see what starts with P. Oh, put. So in my second petal, I'm going to write put. Then I have the letter R. So I'm going to look at my sight word wall and I'm going to see, oh, I like this one. My favorite one is run. R-U-N, run. My next letter is I. Oh, I don't even have to look at my sight word wall because I know these off the top of my head. So if there's any that I know already off the top of my head a word, I don't even have to look at my sight word wall. I'm going to do the word it. Then I look at the next letter, which is an N. I know that one of my sight words is no, and that starts with an N. So I don't even have to look at my sight word wall. And G, I know that one off the top of my head too. I know go. So I don't even have to look at my sight word wall. And then I'm going to decorate my flower because I want this to be a beautiful spring picture. And actually, I'm going to label my picture just for fun because we just did the parts of a plant. So I know that this is my petal, my stem, my leaves, and I know that this is the sun. So there's a lot of stuff I can label on my picture. If you don't know that it's the petal or the stem or the leaves, or you can't figure out how to spell it, you could sound it out. S-T-E-M. So I could sound out how to write those. So then I can color my picture and I'm done. So that was your sight word spring review for today. Can't wait to see all of your sight word flowers. Take a picture of them and post them so I can see. All right, have a great day.